First, the top news headlines. Senapati standoff ends after release of NSCN IM leader. Tunnel number 4 of Jiribam Imphal new rail line inaugurated. And poverty-stricken family left in dilemma. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is SURAJ giving you the news. Now the news in detail. Senapati standoff ended hours after Chief Judicial Magistrate Senapati released Captain Gideon Thangal of NSCN IM at around 4:30 a.m. today. Troops of 34 Assam Rifles yesterday arrested him at Senapati. Naga social organizations like Naga People's Organization NPO, Senapati Students Association and United Naga Council UNC played a major role in securing release of the NSCN IM leader, sources said. Angry locals had blocked Imphal Dimapur Road at Senapati Bazaar yesterday, registering a protest against the arrest of Gideon by Assam Rifles. Traffic was disrupted along the National Highway 2 due to the strike. They demanded that the NSCN IM cadre should be released immediately. It may be noted that Assam Rifles posted at Tahamjam Senapati headquarters on February 20th engaged in a scuffle with the Naga army posted there. The situation erupted when the Assam Rifles personnel started chasing some personnel belonging to the Naga army. However, the Naga army personnel overpowered the Assam Rifles personnel during the melee. The Naga army reportedly captured the Assam Rifles official who was leading the team and seized a weapon belonging to them. However, the Assam Rifles official was released after intervention by several social organizations. The weapon was also returned to the Assam Rifles. The NSCN IM is in the peace mode since 1997. Tunnel number 4 with a length of 2.26 km of Jiribam Imphal new rail line constructed by Northeast Frontier Railway NFR was inaugurated by Chairman of Railway Board Y.K. Yadav today. General Manager Northeast Frontier Railway Sanjeev Roy and CAOC IMLG Mohan Lal was present during the function. On the occasion, V.K. Yadav assured that though the target for completion of the Jiribam Imphal new rail line is March 2022, the NFR would finish it by March of 2022. Life turned into misery after 57-year-old Yumkhaibam Kula, a tailor by profession of Singzamay Sorokhaibam Laikai, got bedridden following a serious illness. His 55-year-old wife Yumkhaibam Ongbi Jivanlata used to sell bakery products to support their 2 children and burn the midnight oil.
Talking to TOMTV, Jivanlata said that back in the year 2019, her husband Sorokhaibam Kula suddenly started complaining of a problem on his left leg which made him immobile, following which she had to give up her occupation of selling bakery items riding on a bicycle.
Masa nuwaitaba henjeleeraga ka amuk chatpa adi hidak to khara amuk cha amuk makhata jadaba singamdaba amuk helep tawdana anaba si kuina sumaina sum namjalaga leire aina leitaba oidana thabak surabaga paisa khaga talamba mana ta laigare adi aina achapo yonjaraga kharaga nongmai khaga chenjaba aisu magi manaksi de lengbo pangamdrabanina sum leirabanina paisa tamra ngamdre.
She expressed deep concern about her youngest daughter, who is appearing in Class 10 board exam next year, is now looking after her helpless father. Their eldest son is now writing his HSLC exam conducted by Board of Secondary Education Manipur that began from 17th of February. She said that due to poverty, the family could not even afford to recharge prepaid electricity. Her son prepares for the exam only during daytime, she added. Jibanlata informed that her husband has been admitted to Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS Lamphel for a surgery to be conducted on 29th of February. And the family has received just rupees 3,000 under the initiative of local MLA and Consumer Affairs Minister Karam Shyam for the operation.
Mapaga ay doctor sida huji doctor da pukhalaga leiba sidagi angang sisu huntoga handak tien thaga da angang sisu hunto thanam baisa se lairik paga da baisa sisu aina mai happy da dana angak po moong am da isa sisu ne pura pongong hon dana thambire aina isa si mai happy da dana paikha do laik su pa ba da ngam da dana leire mapaga ay doctor da huji ngau dana tau leiba sida isa sisu pura awa ba du imai sa ko pola oin mai ong na dana leire.
Jibanlata also said that her poverty-stricken family is currently living in a piece of land provided by her brothers.
Well, it's time now for a short commercial break. Do stay tuned. Welcome back after the break. 2 drug peddlers were arrested along with a large quantity of smuggled heroin hidden in 3 shop cases by a team of Kaching police under the supervision of Superintendent of Police Victoria Yenkom on February 20th around 7:30 p.m. along Imphal Murray Road. The drug seizure took place when the police were conducting frisking and checking of suspected vehicles at Sora Kunuta Chingzin outpost, a police report said today. The arrested were identified as Jaminla Vaite, age 27 years, son of Thangkhosai Vaite of Molvum village, Churachandpur district, and Letkothang Vaite, age 40 years, son of Let Dauhun Vaite of age Wongnomjang in Technopol district. The police team also seized a Wagon R car bearing registration number NL07H0402 from the possession of the duo. In the immediate follow-up action, a team of Kaching Police Station led by Sub-Inspector Muthilphun Dangsava under the supervision of Additional Superintendent of Police Law and Order Kaching L. Khongsai arrested one Thaulung Angtil Lamkang for allegedly supplying the drug to the duo. In this connection, a case was registered at Kaching Police Station under Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substance and the PS Act, the report aided. Indian Students' Parliament has conferred the Ideal Youth MLA Award 2020 on Phungyar Constituency MLA K. Laisio yesterday during a formal function held at Bigyan Bhavan in New Delhi. Upon his arrival at the Imphal International Airport today, members of many organizations warmly received him. The MLA said that the award has been given to him to motivate young politicians towards development activities. He added that the people recognizing the work he has done based on democratic principles is a bliss.
Younger politicians, youth empower taunaba amadi acknowledge tawbiba thabak tawbasi aduga akoigi development da akoigi sigumba kari haigada politics da youth singna karamai participate tawgadra habsi sigu encourage tawba amadi thawgat piba habsi moigi thabakni asin moisi yamna karamai sar yam important oiba karno amani si award amani.
Protesting against inordinate delay in starting construction of a RCC bridge that will connect Sawombung Maninghuidrom sector and Loksangkhong A bridge construction demand committee has announced to impose a total shutdown along Imphal-Ukhrul Road and Imphal-KB Road beginning February 26. Talking to reporters today, committee convener Huidrom Sunil said that in the year 2015, officials from the concerned department conducted soil testing and geotagging for building the RCC bridge to replace the existing bridge. The work order was issued and construction materials were also brought at the construction site. However, the work failed to start after Leisangkhong. Locals contended that the new bridge should be built in Leisangkhong area.
Committee, joint committee, same ticket, Matamda, Harry Mapam, the Sadabia, the Pim, the Medina, Zatrasu, Grabanina, upon Mr. Sunso Shodana, Laiba, February Tarikun Tropum, the Marilinaba, Authority have the department, concerned department, Sitong Sabas, Zatrahun, Matuna, Hobiro, Karumba, I quite understand the Hyger visit Karumba, Hobi the target, the Koi, Tangnaba, Tarikun Trete, Koi, Ukulambi, Aduga Koi, KB line, Lambisi, Matam Kakana, Koi, Tinjargani.
The Additional District Magistrate Imphal West has imposed Section 144 of the CRPC in the entire district for 2 months with effect from this morning. Following which, gathering of more than 5 individuals are not allowed. All civilians in the district are barred from carrying of weapons of any kind, including lathis, sharp objects or firearms in public places. A farewell function for participants of a 2-month-long incubation training of Idea Stage Startup for Manipur State Batch 1 and 2 was held today at the Conference Hall of Institute of Cooperative Management ICM Complex. Manipur Planning Department sponsored the training program. Certificates were distributed to all the trainees. Chief guest of the event, Manipur Planning Department Director Dr. T.H. Munindro said that the startup scheme was launched by Chief Minister N. Biren 2 years back to help solve unemployment problem. He said the training program was conducted to enlighten the trainees on how to ensure proper utilization PF, the loan provided by the government. He added that the startup scheme is a successful scheme sponsored by the Manipur government.
Manipur startup scheme main agenda si kari thabuk thangdaba naron chingche masi mathanda thabak piraga yamna protective way da lagna bukhona si thabaingang Bangalore da tawre America tore ma pa ne tor lai khai anghang mayam ama makoina mafam sida halaga magi establishment business ma tawki magi tongan platform do magi hajaba do da makoina thabak sil tawr ke haibu matam sida aduma mi singe thiraga bai ge startup scheme sida ayam do BPP.
Continuing their demand for rectification of anomalies in 6th ROP and implementation of 7th pay, the Council of Teachers Association Kota today staged a sit-in protest in front of Zonal Educational Office near New Mini Secretariat Office, Bisnupur. They held placards that read, "Don't accept ROP 2019" during the demonstration. Kota co-convener Dr. L. Ritendro expressed dissatisfaction over the alleged biased attitude of the government shown against the teachers. The Kanglei Park Communist Party KCP People's War Group said it has imposed an indefinite curfew at the office of Manipur People's Party MPP in view of the present crisis within the regional political party. According to a press release, the KCP PWG urged all MPP office bearers to immediately put an end to the leadership crisis. It said KCP PWG has also imposed a ban on sanctioning of fund and other financial activities of the party. It also asked the current MPP leadership to talk to the outfit over the prevailing issue. Nehru Yuva Kendra NYK Bisnupur, Sandhong Farmers Club and Center for the Welfare of Differently Abled Persons, Manipur Bisnupur unit jointly began a 3-month-long vocational training program on weaving, tailoring and bamboo products today at Kwakta Sandhong Makhalikai, Moirang CD block of Bisnupur district. Those present at the opening function were District Youth Coordinator NYK Bisnupur Dr. Dhanachandra Salam, working for the cause of persons with disability member L. Amarendra Sharma, retired Jemadar 7th Manipur Rifles S.H. Kunjikishore. Talking to reporters, Dr. Dhanachandra Salam said that 30 trainees with physical deformities are taking part in the training course, for which Thanga MLA T. Robindro has donated 3 sewing machines. He said that under the Beti Bachao Beti Padhao, Deputy Commissioner Bisnupur has also extended some aid for the program, which aims to help the trainees in finding ways to earn income.
Support to Viaba Toraga, Atopa, line agencies in Tayap Tonaraga, Mogi, Akogi Livelihood Production Center, Gumba Group, Sembagi, Aduma Planamasu Lazeri, Beti Bachao Beti Padhao Haiba, Program Sigi Makada, Deputy Commissioner Bisnupur, Madam Nita gi support Suyauna, Hariba Weaving Section Z, Nupi Visingi, Oina Beti Bachao Beti Padhao Makada, Taum Satazagadabani.
All India Youth Federation AIYF Manipur State Council kick-started its two-day 19th State Conference at Irawat Bhavan, Imphal today. Representatives of AIYF MSC attended the inaugural session of the conference. Speaking to TOMTV, President of MSC AIYF M. Somojit Singh said that the conference will deliberate on the issue of unemployment in the state. He also said that the election for new office bearers of the State Council will also be held during the two-day conference.
Manipuri Samasta Naharol Youth Sing Tenariba unemployment is Samisha Singsia, Simayok Nola, the Federation that Sajo Pinavu, only the Federation is at the Yapin.
Calling the Narendra Modi government at the center anti-people, the Communist Party of India CPI Manipur State Council MSC today kick off a month-long anti-government campaign at Iravan Bhavan, Imphal. Speaking at the event, CPI leader Dr. M. Nara said that the Indian constitution, democracy and secularism are now facing a serious threat. Issues like unemployment, price hike and capitalist market have clearly shown that the country is in the hands of a few rich people. Dr. Nara said, making an all-out effort to protect the democracy and secularism for the future generation is the need of our hour. Dr. Nara added.
Bharat wele baranti channel launcher se tungi miro na sigi nusi channel na hingi na ba yad ba adung samaj mo wele kadra hai sigi apprehension da koi communist party na thabu mo chuna self constitution self India theng na khiba andalon sigi matung da mado busi ke lai ba constitution hongo kani hai ba kangbu sigi thabak khuto gi makha dani Bharat ki university ke yada thokre bigra including Manipuri University.
Moirang Sub-Divisional Officer SDO CA Somendro Singh and Pastor P. Naucha inaugurated an e-scooter showroom of BR Motors at Moirang Thamnapokpi along Tidim Road today. It may be mentioned that the BR Motors e-scooter was developed under Okinawa Autotech Private Limited and Wang E-Service to help curb pollution and make carbon-free zone. SDOCA Somendro expressed happiness over the opening of the new showroom in the state. He said there are 9 models of e-scooters at the showroom and the prices start at Rs 50,000, which can be availed through loan from HDFC Bank. A 2-day AUD at City 2020, a celebration of the alluring cultural diversity of the northeastern states, began yesterday at Ambedkar University, Kashmiri Gate, New Delhi. The program is held under the theme Celebrating Diversity of Northeast India. The rich cultural diversity of the 7 states of the Northeast was showcased during the program. Bibinas Thokchom, Deputy Dean of Student Service, AUD, who is also the in charge of the event, said that the program was held to promote the cultural diversity and ethnic identity of the Northeast India.
Hey everyone, I am Bibinas and you are in Ambedkar University, Delhi, and you're attending Ambedkar University, Delhi's annual cultural festival, which is called Audacity. We have this every year, and this time we thought from the student services and also after consulting the Vice Chancellor of the university, we have decided to keep a theme of this festival.
A Manipuri non-commercial film titled Education the Mai Onsilasi was screened today at the Centenary Hall of Manipur University, Kanchipur. The 80-minute-long film is directed by Rosendrakar Nongthomba. At the event, Rosendrakar said that the film was first screened at the MSFDS Palace compound and he is planning to screen the film outside the state too. The film conveys a message to students and parents, he added.
ꯆꯔꯥꯡꯅꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯄ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯈꯔ ꯀꯥꯎꯊꯣꯛꯑꯒ ꯑꯗꯣꯝꯗ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯟꯕ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯂꯩ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯏꯟꯈꯠꯂꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯨꯗꯦꯟ ꯍꯧꯒꯠꯂꯛꯏꯕꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯣꯟꯗꯒ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯉꯥꯎꯔꯒ ꯄꯪꯂꯩ ꯂꯩꯕꯗꯣ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯏꯖꯨꯀꯦꯁꯟꯗꯒꯗꯤ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯆꯥꯟꯅꯗꯦꯗꯅꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯝꯗꯨꯗ ꯃꯦꯁꯦꯖ ꯑꯃꯈꯛ ꯄꯤꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯅꯣꯠ ꯑꯣꯟꯂꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯖꯁ ꯗꯣꯛꯇꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯑꯩ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯁꯔꯚ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯜꯂꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯅꯠꯇꯕ ꯏꯚꯟ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯇꯥꯒꯣꯅꯤꯁ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤꯁꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯃꯆꯥꯗꯅꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯐꯣꯀꯁ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯁꯨ ꯏꯚꯟ ꯅꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯟꯇꯤꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯍꯜꯂꯤ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯔꯣꯏꯕꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯇꯨ ꯖꯔꯅꯤꯗꯨꯅꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯋꯥꯈꯜ ꯇꯥꯔꯛꯄ ꯑꯃ ꯆꯪꯉꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯎꯠꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ.
2 militants have been killed in an operation by security forces in South Kashmir's Anantnag district today. According to media reports, 2 Lashkar-e-Toiba terrorists have been killed in an operation by the police, the CRPF and the army at Sangam Bijbehara. Arms and ammunition were also recovered. The duo was killed in a gunfight that broke out during a cordon and search operation launched yesterday evening in Sangam area. The hiding militants fired upon the search party. Both the bodies were recovered from the encounter site. A Delhi court today reserved its order on an application filed by one of the death row convicts in Nirbhaya rape case seeking better treatment for his claimed mental illness, schizophrenia and head and arm injuries. According to media reports, an application was moved on behalf of Vinay Sharma seeking a direction to shift him to Delhi's Institute of Human Behavior and Allied Sciences IHBAS for high-level treatment for his mental illness. The Uttar Pradesh government is preparing to auction tons of gold reserve found in Sonbhadra district of the state. As per reports of Geological Survey of India and Uttar Pradesh Directorate of Geology and Mining, the estimated gold is said to be around 3,000 tons at Son Pahari and Hardi village area. The UP government has started the process for allocation of blocks where gold is said to be found. A large reserve of gold has been confirmed in Hardi village in Kon region and Son Pahari in Mahuli region. The government has also constituted a 7-member team for auctioning of these blocks through e-tendering process. The team will be geotagging the entire region and will submit its report to the Directorate of Geology and Mining, Lucknow today. Let's now have the sports news. In sports today, 2-day annual sports meet 2020 of Saina Institute of Medical Sciences SIMS Complex, Chininkon under Senapati district has begun today. This sports meet is being organized by SIMS Group of Institute, former HM President and Social Worker N. Rajendra, Managing Director SIMS Group Dr. S. Kumar, Additional Director SIMS Group's S.K. Wazid Shah and Officer in charge of Commando Bisnupur District Inspector B. Lunthang Waife attended the opening function. At the occasion, N. Rajendra underscored the importance of punctuality. He also emphasized on the need to cultivate the habit of valuing games and sports for a healthy and prosperous society. At the ongoing first RK Chandra Singh Manipur Youth League 2020 being organized by All Manipur Football Association under the aegis of Classic Group of Hotel at NIDSU Ground, Luang Sangbam. KYFA won over Hiai FC 2-0 today in the under-15 match. KYFA thrashed Hiai FC 4-3, while the home team won KYFA in 2-1 in the under-18 match. Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top news headlines once again. Senapati standoff ends after release of NSCN IM leader. Tunnel number 4 of Jiribam Imphal new rail line inaugurated. And poverty-stricken family left in dilemma. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.